Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have the PDF ready, so start by opening it in a capable app. Once done, inspect pages to ensure their final and images aren't linked externally. Make sure to choose your output format, JPEG for photos or PNG if you need transparency, and set resolution to 72 for web or 300 dpi for print. You'll learn why each choice matters. Format affects color and compression, resolution controls sharpness, and checking the PDF prevents repeated exports later. Now you'll configure export settings and handle framing. In export or save as, pick image then your format and set quality or compression. Higher quality reduces artifacts but increases file size. Make sure to pick the right color profile, sRGB for screens, CMYK for printers, because colors shift otherwise. If pages have extra margins, apply crop boxes or trim to remove them. Once configured, export a single test page to validate color, resolution, and crop before batch processing the rest. Finish by exporting all pages in a batch and naming files logically so you can find them later. After export, inspect final images closely for compression artifacts, missing fonts rendered as outlines or color shifts. Open in your target app to confirm. If something's wrong, colors off, low quality missing content, reopen the PDF and adjust DPI, file format, or disable downsampling, then re-export. If problems persist, try a different PDF tool or rasterizer to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.